Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off in Google Chrome settings, that is the Do Not Track settings. So this basically allows you to send a request to websites said not connect or track your browsing data, and typically most of the websites will not actually change their behavior when they receive a Do Not Track request. However, some websites will honor that ironically, even enabling the Do Not Track request on your browser. Then I'll show you how to turn or off in a quick method. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Chrome browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then click mo lang tong 3 dot icon. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa left side ninyo, settings. And then next ay select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa privacy and security, scroll down and select site settings. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa site settings, scroll down. And then dito sa content, under nito ay select mo lang dito yung third-party cookies. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa third-party cookies, scroll down. And then dito sa default behavior, makikita mo kaagad dito yung send and do not track request with your browsing traffic. Kung paano ba natin ito i-turn on or off. So dito sa right side, ay click mo lang tong button ito and then pop up tong kanyang informations. So enabling do not track means that the request will be included with your browsing traffic. Any effect depends on whether a website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. For example, some websites may respond to this request by showing you ads that aren't based on other websites you visited. Many websites will still collect and use your browsing data, for example, to improve security, to provide content, services, ads, and recommendations on their websites, and to generate reporting statistics. Alright, so ang next step ay click mo lang itong confirm, and that's it mga kaibigan. So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-send ang Do Not Track request in Google Chrome. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.